Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve microphone not working, device not migrated error in Windows 10 computer. So the first solutions we will do is to run the speech troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then here you need to tap this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click this open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings and on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then once you open up here at additional troubleshooters, and then you need to scroll down and underneath here and find and fix other problems. And then you need to find and locate this speech. And then once you find already this speech, so all you have to do is to click, and you can see this run the troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to tap this run the troubleshooters. Then we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And then you need to follow the screen instructions to fix these errors. But as of now, I can't proceed because I'm using the third-party apps for my tutorial microphone. Maybe it will stop this audio of my computer system. So all you have to do is to follow only this run the troubleshooters to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at troubleshoot settings, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to update the Realtek driver. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu, and then you need to select this device manager. And then once you open up here at device manager, and then you need to scroll down and select this sound, video, and game controllers to click this arrow to expand. And the next step, then you need now to select this Realtek audio. So all you have to do is to update this driver. So select and then right click, and then you need to tap or click this update driver. And updating this driver, so we have two options. So we have search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then you need to tap or select this search automatically for drivers and then click. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then we need to close this device manager. If the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair damaged system. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then here you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to click or tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in the Windows to run the system file checker SFC tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so copy and paste this command keyword dsm space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste, and here keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B and then press enter. And deployment image servicings in management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the restore operations completed successfully. And then we need to close this CMD, and then here at the power button, then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolving those error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.